I'm going to use inertia to dump him off the cliff.
JoJo's Science Show!
Hello, welcome to JoJo's Science Show. And today I have 5 awesome experiments that will teach us about inertia. Some of these experiments are so awesome, you might think it's magic, but it's not. It's science. Newton's first law of motion describes what inertia is. So here's Isaac Newton himself to tell us what inertia is.
Hi Jojo, hi kids. I am Sir Isaac Newton. I discovered that an object at rest wants to stay at rest, while a moving object wants to keep moving in a straight line, unless something else acts on it, of course. This is called my first law of motion.
This basically means objects resist changes in motion. You'll need a handkerchief and a glass of water. Now let us try this.
Why is my tongue sticking out?
Ta-da! 1 and a 2 and a 3! Isn't science fun? This is Newton's first law of motion, and the cup wants to remain at rest, so it stays there, but the cloth moves away. Science! For this next experiment, you'll need everything you see here. A glass filled with water, make sure it has water in it, a plate, an empty cardboard tube, and the king of eggs, an egg. Voila! This egg is going to drop into this cup because of Newton's first law of motion, or inertia. Let's try it again. Wow, look how full my bucket is. Isn't that cool? See how I didn't spill any water going in the circle? The water wants to move in a straight line, but the bucket wants to move in a circle because of my hands. This is called centrifugal force. For this next experiment, you'll need a remote control car. I have a remote control Lightning McQueen. And here's the controller. Hi kids, I'm Lightning McQueen, and I'm going to show you how inertia works. I'm going to use inertia to get rid of a Dinobot that's been attacking me lately.
Oh no, the dino is on top of me! Ugh! Why does he even attack me? I'm just a harmless car.
I'm going to use inertia to dump him off the cliff. When I slow down, the dino keeps moving and flies off the cliff.
See? I used inertia to get rid of that annoying Dinobot into the lava.
For this next experiment, I'm in my car, and we're going to see inertia tried to push me out of my seat, but the seat belt stops me. Inertia is going to push me back into my seat. Going. Do you feel that force pulling you back in the seat? It's kind of like the seat's inhaling you. You just felt inertia. We were going fast. Ooh, we're going around the corner. Did you feel the force pulling you to the side? That's inertia. That was really strong. Oh, that was cool. Then we weren't even going that fast. I don't get it. Inertia is really strong. Inertia is why you need to wear your seatbelts. Did you know once I got in a car accident and there were some guys who weren't wearing their seatbelts, and one of them flew out of their car because they didn't have their seatbelts on because of inertia. Inertia is why you get thrown around when you're in a car. So that's why you should definitely buckle up. You've probably felt inertia every time you've ridden in a car, but you didn't notice it. Now you know what it is.
Thanks for watching JoJo's Science Show. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button down below and subscribe to my channel so you can become a kid scientist too. And you can also see all my fun videos whenever you like. And hit the bell so you'll receive notifications whenever I post a new fun video. And remember kids, science is fun! Just stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Don't click off. When I look at it like really close up, it weirds out my eyes. Made out of paper or anything else. I don't really care. You shouldn't either. A roll of paper towel that doesn't have any toweler. Too many airplanes while we're filming. We can't film anything.
More airplanes while we're filming.
Oh wait, you can see the cup.